Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Charge the device above 50% and enable USB debugging and developer options so your PC can talk to it. Install the ADB and fastboot tools on your computer, then connect and confirm with ADB devices. If it lists your device, you're ready. Back up everything now, photos, app data, and contacts, because the next steps erase internal storage. Once done, boot the phone into bootloader or recovery. Make sure you have drivers installed so the commands work reliably. You now repair the storage partitions. Reboot to the bootloader using ADB Reboot Bootloader or the hardware key combo, then assess whether the user data partition is corrupt. If the bootloader is locked and you must unlock it, know that unlocking wipes data. Do it only if necessary. Flash the stock firmware or the specific user data. IMG obtained from the vendor, or run fastboot format user data to recreate the partition table. Make sure each fastboot command exits cleanly before moving on. You finish by rebooting the device and completing the initial setup. This rebuilds encryption headers and mounts internal storage. Restore your backups once Android is stable, and only relock the bootloader after verifying storage behavior for a few cycles. If the system still reports incorrect free space or apps crash, repeat flashing user data. IMG or perform a factory reset from recovery. One key troubleshooting tip. If storage appears mounted but inaccessible, reflash the stock user data partition. That single step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.